Hello! It's time for one more 3-minute video, and this subject is a little bit odd, but I can do it in 3 minutes, so let's set the timer and let's make it work. Our program does 3 types of projects, and sometimes it depends on the student and the project that they work on, and sometimes it depends upon the need. So we do training projects in which we use our funds from our general education in order to produce projects that are relevant to the print community, design community. All of our equipment is used for training projects because before somebody can get mastery, they got to get some experience. For those type projects, we let the kids work on things that they can bring in, but if they don't have things to bring in, we can make them up. We don't like to do makeup projects where they're going to get thrown in the trash can because, frankly, the kids really sell and buy into the program so much more when they know there's an actual customer. So if the family would like customized Christmas cards, or if the family has a small business and would like business cards, if the family can help us with ideas during that training period, that's fantastic because the kids get better when they know the customer, and the projects have more relevance, and they usually will put more attention to detail. The second type of project we do is patronage projects or customer service projects. And those are projects that we bring in that understand we're a school, understand that we may not get it right the first time, but we're not going to stop until we get it right. And those projects actually pay for the materials plus a certain percentage allowed by our board to mark up to cover spoilage, and any of that profit always goes back into the program one way or the other, or towards any of our student activity service projects that the class has voted on. The customer service projects have that added pressure of a real customer, and that's extremely important. Now, all of these projects can be portfolio projects. So once they're returned, they can be set up to be either digital or paper portfolios that can be used in getting a job or going to college. These projects are really the meat and potatoes of what we do. There is instruction in the class, but the instruction is not hour-long lessons or hour-long lectures 5 days a week. We try to use the projects to zero in on a goal. So for example, like in typography, we're going to set up a business card, and I'll use 3 different examples, and the font and the clip art and the style is supposed to really nail down specifically the type of feel for that business. So it's interpreting the customer's specifications. So we use each one of our projects to teach something. For instance, when we do our personalized calendar, that calendar is personalized for you and your family, so it's valuable, but we get to teach pagination. And then frankly, the pagination is the part that I care about the most. So that's how we use our projects, and it's an extremely useful tool that Career Tech does best. That's 3 minutes. See you next time.